Hey, you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's very important, and that is improving your sleep, but more so improving your sleep with a particular, I want to say, product. And I don't want to say substance because it'll sound like a drug, and I don't promote doing drugs at all. I am drug free, and I encourage everyone else to stay drug free. But of course, there's no judgment here. This is a judgment free zone. With that being said, if you don't want to miss any more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and trust me, I'm going to be bringing you guys some great content on this channel. Don't miss out. So we're going to be talking about the benefits, briefly the benefits of sleep, what CBD oil is, why I particularly am using it to improve my sleep, and how it can safely improve the way you sleep as well. And as we all know, sleep is not only beneficial to our health, but it's good for our beauty as well. It's good for our skin. It's good for, our mental health, just overall wellness, you guys. So just keep that in mind. So, the particular product that I'm sharing with you all, I just want to full disclosure here, okay? I've only been using this product for a week, but I have already seen some changes in my sleep pattern, which was worth making a video and doing not only a review, but just talking about just in general on how CBD oil can really benefit you. So first of all, what is CBD? First of all, let's make it very, very clear. CBD is not THC. You're not going to get high on it, okay? CBD is also called cannabis, a cannabinoid, whatever the case may be. It's a plant, okay? Let's just get that out the way. It's a plant, and particularly with CBD, you're finding it in a lot of your products these days, you guys. Your skincare products, your teas, just overall, just in a lot of products. So I would say, just based on that, for the most part, it's safe. Okay. So don't fret or anything like that. In terms of the benefits of CBD, and this is according to Healthline, okay? So some of the benefits, it's a long list. I'm not gonna go through the entire list, but CBD usually is known for the number one use to help relieve pain. It's also been known to reduce anxiety and depression. It's also helped to alleviate cancer-related symptoms, so not a cure, but to help out with cancer-related symptoms. And also, it can reduce acne. Didn't even know that. And it could benefit your heart health, your overall heart health. And it could also benefit in helping the aid of what we're going to talk about in this video, which is better sleep. So the product that I've been using to help me sleep better, and yes, I have been having trouble sleeping lately, just because for me personally, I have moved, I've changed environments. I've moved from California to Houston. My whole environment has completely changed. So it's like I'm still adjusting to that. So I've been having a hard time sleeping. So the timing of me being able to try this product, in full disclosure, I was reached out to try this product by a company called Calm by Wellness. And it's their sleep oil, CBD oil. And like I said, the timing was just perfect because I had happened to just purchase sleep vitamins, and they've been working okay, but I'm like, I really would like something just more natural, that can really adjust to my body and work. And so far, I've been using this product for a week. I try to give a product at least a week for me to try out in order for me to see something happening, right? I got to see something happening. I can't use it for a few days and tell you guys that it's just working amazing. So I've been using it for a week. So we're going to consider this the 1 week review. And it's in this cute little packaging in purple color. It's a 30 milliliter bottle. It has 17 milligrams of CBD, right? So that's the main thing which is known to help calm you. And this company, I want to say, is the most recommended and most trusted. So when I read the reviews, I was actually pretty impressed. I love the fact that their CBD is grown here in the US, Colorado to be exact. And I believe Colorado, if I'm not mistaken, is like the number one place for um, marijuana plants to be grown, okay? Just to say that. I love the fact, obviously, like I said before, it's THC free. Other ingredients: premium hemp seed oil, natural flavors, stevia extract. Also, it's all natural, non-GMO. Like I said before, it's grown and processed in the USA, and it's gluten free. So my overall thoughts: I love the fact that it's small. I can carry it in my cute little Michael Kors bag. Um, and I can carry it in my pocket, really. So I love the fact that I can travel with it. Now, in terms of first impressions, the first night I didn't really feel much of anything. It really wasn't until like the third night when I noticed that my body wasn't moving around a lot, right? So I noticed that, I wasn't shifting or kicking around. And then I noticed that the next day from that, on the fourth day, I woke up more refreshed. In terms of it helping me like fall asleep faster, I can't say that at this point. I will say that within taking it 30 minutes, I noticed that I was more calm, which I think helped. I would attribute that to me not, moving around a lot and kicking around a lot, which I tend to do. I do have a hard time falling asleep, but I notice when I take this particular product that I am calm in a matter of 30 minutes. But to feel the full effect and really help you like start dozing off, it takes at least an hour. I'm just going to be completely honest with you. I know that this is the most popular way and safe way that people are enhancing their sleep. So this is, I know, one of the most safest way to improve your sleep. So I will say that. And in terms of how you use it, like literally it's easy to open, and you just use 1 milliliter with this dropper, and you put it under your tongue. And really that's it. In terms of the flavor, it had a very unique taste. So the flavor of this is blueberry lavender. I don't know how they came up with that, but I thought it was pretty interesting. I thought it was going to be nasty. I thought I was going to gag, but surprisingly I didn't. I was like, that's different. So it wasn't horrible. I think that the taste could be a little bit better, but like I said before, it wasn't horrible. Also, if you're not used to tasting CBD, there is a slight CBD aftertaste, but it's not intolerable. Like, you could tolerate this. So if you want to know more about their products, their website is calmbywellness.co, and I will include a link below in this video. Also, if you're curious to know about the price point, like I said before, and I've said it before in previous videos, anytime I'm talking about like your health or wealth, it's an investment, you guys. Like at the end of the day, you take care of your body now, it's going to take care of you later. If you don't take care of it now, you want to think you can get around and cut corners and cheat, eat any way you want, take anything you want because you don't see an immediate adverse effect. Trust me, you're going to pay for it later. I can attest you. So this price point can run anywhere between $60 to $65. However, I know that if you do a monthly subscription, you get like 10% off. And if you want to try it for the first time, you can get an additional discount, I believe 10 to 15%. I'll include a link below to that you can use to get a discount on that. And it's backed by a 30-day money back guarantee, you guys. So to me, you're not losing out on anything. So it's like a company saying, we're basically giving this product to you for free. You could try it for 30 days. If for some reason you're not fully impressed, you can return it and get your money back, no questions asked. So there's really nothing to lose in regards to that. So I recommend just trying it out for yourself. It's one thing to hear it from me and everybody else, but you can only know if a product works for you is if you try it. And like I said, you have nothing to lose. I am going to do a follow-up video a couple of weeks from now, but so far I like the fact that it does calm me down within the first 30 minutes. and that I'm not moving around as much in my sleep. If you guys have any further questions, go ahead, leave a comment below. If you tried CBD oil before, let me know. Let me know what your experience was, if you've used Calm by Wellness before, and what your honest reviews are as well. And can't wait to see you guys back here next week for another great video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah.